Here's the news of the day. PHI Aviation now operates 2 Airbus H175 helicopters in Australia, boosting their offshore energy and rescue missions with advanced safety and performance features. The Vertical Flight Society's 2024 to 2025 student competition invites teams to design and fly an eVTOL for wildfire response, with $5,000 in prizes and a final fly-off next April. The U.S. Army approved Safe Structures' 360-degree roller system for the CH-47 Chinook, enhancing logistics for extended-range missions with its new Airworthiness certification. Lilium achieved the first systems power-on milestone for its all-electric Lilium jet, a key step toward certification, with test flights targeted for 2025 and service entry by 2026. Textron Aviation will test its Nexus eVTOL at Salina Regional Airport, advancing zero-emission aviation with this multi-mission aircraft. Vertoxy raised $29 million to advance its 5-passenger eVTOL, the Matrix 1, aiming for a 2027 certification and future deployment across high-density regions in China. Skydweller Aero's solar-powered UAS completed long-endurance flights, achieving over 22 hours, advancing toward perpetual emission-free aviation. Joby Aviation showcased its quiet eVTOL at Grand Central Terminal, promising to cut travel from Manhattan to JFK to just 7 minutes, offering a sustainable alternative to noisy helicopters. Wheels Up has appointed Megan Wells as EVP of Enterprise Planning and Strategy, leveraging her experience to drive growth and strengthen its Delta partnership. RightJet has opened a luxury business jet showroom in the Emirates Palace Mandarin Hotel, offering clients an immersive private jet sales experience in Abu Dhabi. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, Instagram, LinkedIn, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.